So UTV Bindas presents Indian Ink 2011. It is the first tattoo convention in India, and if you think it's all about tattooing, I'm sorry. It's about raw energy, it's about these b-boys, just about killing it. So you guys, sit there and watch. As you guys can see, this is also a form of expression, just like tattoos. Indian Ink 2011 has managed to get everything from tribal tattoos to manuscripts to different languages. Also, they have celebrities. You don't believe me? Come with us. Boys, how have you liked the convention, first of all?
I think it's been awesome. I had a quick round of some of the stalls, and to see some of the work that's being done is outstanding.
Abhishek, I'm very curious. आपके कोई ऐसे tattoos हैं जो आप national TV पे दिखाना नहीं चाहते हो, इसलिए आप बोलते हो कि आप उस tattoo है ही नहीं, आपके पास सही में tattoo नहीं है?
नहीं, सही में tattoo नहीं है. I wish I had one.
Prateek, hi. Do you have a tattoo, and if you don't, would you want to have one?
Yes, I'd want to ink my whole body if I could, but I see I had a nose piercing, so I mean that was a start, so it would have gone, but then I became an actor, so I couldn't do these things.
So do you have a tattoo?
No.
Wow, so that makes the four of us. This is neat, and we're at a tattoo convention.
You're gonna throw us out now.
So basically, gone are the days when you would think and like really contemplate on a tattoo. These days, if you think it, you ink it. एक टाइम हुआ करता था when masters used to tattoo their slaves. लेकिन यहाँ it's all about mastering the art. And I'm with Al, possibly a celebrity when it comes to tattoo artists. Should I say right or should I say am I right?
Not a celebrity, a normal person. Yeah.
Normal person, modest now. Okay, so how do you feel you're getting your tattoo done here?
Very nice actually.
Yeah?
Enjoying it.
Does it hurt?
Not much if you want to get it inked.
आपके पंजाब के अंदर किस टाइप के टैटू ज्यादा पॉपुलर है?
Tribal design.
ट्राइबल डिजाइन. ओके, ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि you were making a tattoo and someone like me came and disturbed you and then you said get out?
No.
नहीं हुआ है. अब कर दो. Say the golden words.
Please get out.
Thanks.
1, 2, 3, 38, 39.
Any hidden tattoos that we'd like to discover?
Of course on my leg, 42.
The first time that you went up to your dad or your parents or your family and you said, you know what, Pa? I know we're Brahmin and all that, but I want to be a tattoo artist.
Yeah.
I want to see the reaction of your parents. I'm just curious.
No, they were actually, completely dead against about it because it was around 14 years back.
I heard.
They said, of course, if you get a tattoo done and you come from a priest family, I mean, scrape your skin out.
Yeah. And did they do it?
No, they didn't do it, of course.
When you're inking someone, what are the first 3 things that you as an artist keep in mind?
First reason has to be that it has to look good.
Okay.
Secondly, the client has to be really comfortable while getting it done. And third is it has to be very hygienic.
Yeah.
It's a third reason, but it's one of the most important reasons.
You know what I think is the best part about this place? It's the way it sounds. Hear this. Indian Ink 2011 and UTV Bindas has been a part of it. Is coming to an end. I'm already waiting for the 2012 one, and मैं ये पक्की तरीके से बता सकती हूँ कि यहाँ पर जो भी आया था is marked for life. You guys keep watching UTV Bindas. General knowledge lesson number 2.0. I have a thing for artists. Yes, I have finally accepted that. And if you're one, you should be here. It is UTV Bindaas presents Indian Ink 2011. It is the first tattoo convention in India ever. And I'm looking out for the maddest, quirkiest, most mean tattoos. And of course, a story behind them. क्योंकि जैसे हर घर कुछ कहता था, वैसे ही ना हर tattoo भी कुछ कहता है. So now we'll go out and look for mad tattoos. You guys sit and draw. No, actually just watch. ये क्या है और क्यों है?
See, this is my granny's name, Parvati.
तुम्हारे पास कौन-कौन से tattoos है दिखाओ.
Devindas.
यार ये वाला तो तुमने स्केच पेन से बनाया है ना?
नहीं
झूठे. टर्न कर. ये किससे बनवाया है?
मैं नहीं बनाया.
तुम इतने बड़े बिंदास के फैन हो?
I love Bindas.
क्या बात है? I love that.
Because I've shifted to Bombay, 6 years back, and I've struggled a lot. So my tattoo, gives a definition to what I am.
Wow. आपने धोनी जी को अपने हाथों के ऊपर ऐसे क्यों पसार दिया है?
Because of him, we won the World Cup match.
अच्छा ऐसी बात है.
Of course.
क्रेडिट मतलब टीम तो अचार बेच रही थी वहाँ पर. नहीं सब तो यही कर रहे थे.
These are my bike numbers.
You're very close to your bike.
This is the one which got robbed. So a lot of sentimental marriage to it.
May I know who this is?
That's my mother.
Why? Why do you have your mother?
Because of my work, I keep traveling and I'm hardly home.
Okay.
I'm only home for 2 months in a whole year.
Okay.
This is kind of my way of keeping her close.
Can I officially say that you're a mama's boy?
Definitely.